This is Daddy's Cooking, and I'm Anthony, and I'm a home-cooked dad, not a chef, and I cook for my family of 4. This channel is all about me exploring different meals from around the world and bringing them to my family for an evening meal. And this is an opportunity to help you guys out, be more exploring in terms of how you cook your evening meals or lunches or whatever they may be. So check us out, like and subscribe. And what we're cooking today is chicken and pesto.
This pesto chicken meal is for my family of 4, comprising of Italian seasoned grilled chicken smothered with homemade pesto, baked potato slices and steamed mixed veggies. Now first things first, the chicken breasts need to be seasoned. Slice them so they open up like a heart. You know I love you guys. Now give them a bashing. Release that pent up frustration you're holding. Once they're all flattened, let's season. I'm using my last remnants of Italian seasoning. 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. 2 teaspoons of garlic and pepper blend. 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt, and about 2 tablespoons full of olive oil. Mix together well and then work into the chicken, making sure that each chicken breast is fully coated with the seasoning. This goes into the fridge to marinate overnight. For the potatoes, slice them thinly, but thicker than the average crisp, or as my American friends call them, potato chips. Place them onto a baking tray and lightly coat them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper and thyme. Mix well and space out the slices. Then place in a preheated oven at 210 Celsius, 410 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Slice the veggies in a similar size so they cook evenly. The choice of veggies was purely down to what's left in the fridge. Waste not, want not, as they say. Don't forget to check on the potatoes. Turn them over at the halfway point. Now for the veggies. Saute half an onion and garlic in olive oil. Carrots next, as they take the longest. Add the kale and the other vegetables. Add pepper, mixed herbs and salt. Now let me tell you about Aromat. It's my go-to seasoning for veggies. This stuff's amazing. It just elevates the taste of all veggies. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Add 200 ml of water to help steam for about 15 minutes. Remove the cooked golden brown potato slices and keep them warm. Pale uncooked ones will go back in the oven until they're golden brown. Star of the show. Make sure the griddle is smoking hot before you put on the chicken. The smell in the kitchen is absolutely incredible. Remember to check on the veggies. Almost cooked now. After 3 to 4 minutes, when you see that the edges are browning, turn the chicken breasts. Don't be afraid to pod and flip them multiple times to make sure that they cook through. Potatoes are done. After the first 2 chicken breasts are done, start warming the homemade pesto. Click the link above to watch the video of me making the pesto. This will act as a gravy for the entire meal. Apologies for not showing the plating of the meals. My bad, I forgot to press the record button. But there you have it, an incredible evening meal for a family of 4. My 15-year-old Gannet son gets the largest plate, and my 9-year-old daughter insists on dipping her chicken in pesto. Please like and comment about your version of the dish, and don't forget to subscribe for more family dishes.